Hey guys, what's up? Shellraiser, and today we're going to be testing out fidget spinners and how long each one spins. This one you got the standard fidget spinner, 3-gear, flag design as you can see. And this one is a skull, has skulls on it as you can see. It's shiny, it's colorful, still standard 3-gear, but it's shiny, colorful, beautiful, and it's a skull one. So we're going to test them both out. So let's see how it goes. We have the fidget spinner arena set up. I am going to test these both out. I'm going to place the camera down and I'm going to time each of them. No, I have to do a good... No, I have to make this like a very good spin. No, it has to be valid, so I'm gonna put. Look at them go. That one's slow now, so. Oh, that one's still going. Still going. Still going. Can it make it with this one spinning twice? And it's still going. That one spun twice, got 2 good spins, and that one still went. So you guys can kind of see the bigger, the better. And people try doing good designs for fidget spinners. It looks cool, but it's not nearly as good. You can see that. So I might do one more test of starting this one first and the other one second. Here we go. And I'm going to do that one, the slower one, twice. That one right there. Here we go. Try to do it 3 times. See how many times you can get that in. Again. That makes a louder noise, as you can kind of hear. And that one's just more mellow noise. Again. And yes, guys, I am spinning them the hardest possible. Just so you know. That one spins a good, I'm not doing it by time, but that one, right there, the skull one, you can do that a good 4 or 5 times. You can spin that thing really hard. However, it's not in the best condition, but all the conditions my fidget spinners are in, you can spin the skull one a good 4 or 5 times before that one stops. So that one's definitely longer spinning. Hope you guys like this video. Can't post it right away, so even though I'm recording it today, it probably won't be posted for a few days because I have no internet yet. But once I get internet, I'm going to start getting back on social media more. So this is kind of like a break for me because I was moving to a new house. But yeah, that one spins longer. I was kind of expecting that because I kind of tested them out before. But I wanted you guys to see which one spins longer. I encourage you to try this. It actually is kind of cool to test out fidget spinners. Don't go crazy with it though. Fidget spinners are fun, but you don't want too many. Just have a couple of fidget spinners for yourself. If you need them, they're not really a toy. They're meant for special needs people like me. Autism. LOL. Yeah, peace. Bye.